What is going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with another video for you guys today. So as you can see, this video is about one stock and one stock only, a stock that we've swing traded from yesterday, Monday, until today. And that stock is Advanced Micro Devices, ticker symbol AMD. So this was called out in the Discord when it was around $111. And obviously, yesterday it had a great day. Now, it had actually jumped up about 3 or 4% before we called this out in the Discord. And as you could see, today, after hours, it had earnings and the stock shot up over $10. Now, funny enough, this stock had been on a downtrend and we had been looking at puts on it down to $100 before it dropped to $100 last week, Friday. And Friday, when it hit $100, got underneath $100, it eventually bounced back very quickly. Now, it's gone from $100 to, well, highs of $130 after hours within the space of basically 2 days of trading. So that's incredible. And like I said, we got into $114 calls. Obviously now those calls are way in the money. They're already way in the money at the end of this trading day. Everybody banked. This is going to be more than a home run. And of course, if you're in this play as we are, you're going to eat very nicely. Now I'm just going to show you guys some of the returns from today. Obviously we were, pretty excited in the Discord. A lot of people got into this play. People took different strike prices. There were some 115s, 116s. Some people even went as far as getting $150 call options. But as you can see, it's funny because AMD actually had a good day, started to uptrend towards the end of the day, and then it shot up after hours to highs of $130.60. Now, this is a great trade, but all I can say is this is why it's important to have a plan. Over the past 2 weeks, we traded it on the downside all the way to $100. Now we're trading on the upside back to $130, $140, and possibly even $150. We're still far away from the all-time highs at $161. But look, after this crazy gap up, we could be back on the run to that level. So I just want to kind of point that out to you guys and remind you guys that there's so many different stocks you can trade both ways. And when you trade it right, well, you definitely make a lot of money off it. Now, like I said, I was in AMD call options today, just enjoying it, having fun with it. Of course, the stock itself did the business overnight, going from 113 something to 117 at open, and then back up to 117 towards the end of the day, which was actually my original price target for it. But like I said, this is just one of those stocks you can play both ways, and when it does start moving, it really does move. So I had also put this in my watch list, my weekly watch list, as a stock to watch. And I explained that when it does finally move in one direction, it moves very heavily, which is exactly what's happened this past week, both ways. If you're on Robinhood, it didn't matter. You could still swing these AMD plays. You could still swing some of these QQQ callouts. You could still do a lot. So it's a new month, February. We're off to a flying start. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little snippet. Hopefully you guys were able to watch the whole video this time. And if you enjoyed it, make sure to drop a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. Make sure to comment and also make sure to let me know what other videos you'd like to see. I do want to say you guys might want to look at QQQ because AMD is up. Google announced a stock split. I don't know. I think Apple is up. Facebook is up. But yeah, QQQ has gone from 361 to 368 now. I think 330, maybe 339 a week ago to 368 now. We're seeing a lot of tech stocks rebound, and as you guys knew, tech stocks were oversold. I've told you that multiple times. But like I said, you guys don't need a second reminder now. I've told you guys the deal. You guys have seen it with your own eyes. Come join the Discord for more trades. Come join, check us out. Also make sure you guys check out the stock option starter pack. There's many more plays you can find yourselves. Just check out the option pack. Link is in the description below. That very first link is the options pack. You have those videos for life. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. That is it from me. I'm going to be making, you going to be making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.